Just unbox your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 or the S25 Ultra or the Plus. Stopped. Before you start using it, here are 10 crucial settings you must change to unlock its full potential. From hidden features to battery hacks, let's get your S25 running like a pro. Okay, number one is to supercharge your display. So from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on settings. Next, in settings, we go down and tap on display. In here, we look for motion smoothness, so tap on that. And from here, select adaptive, and then tap on applied. Next, we go down. Now, one thing to mention about the motion smoothness is that when you select adaptive, you will get a smoother animations and scrolling by automatically adjusting the screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz. And we'll go back now. Next, we go to screen resolution. Here, tap on screen resolution and choose QHD plus. So if your phone does have this option available, you want to tap on that, and this will give you a sharp details. So if you do not have this option, then you can choose FHD plus, or if you can choose this option for battery for better battery life. So this will give you a battery life, but this one will give you the sharpest and higher screen resolution. So tap on applied. So tap on applied. Number two is to maximize battery life. So go into settings. Now swipe down at the top and then go into settings. In settings, we go down to battery. So tap on battery and then tap on battery protection. Now make sure you turn on battery protection. So turn it on and then tap on the left hand side panel here. In here, we go down and tap on adaptive. So the phone will stop charging at 80% while you are asleep and switch to basic before you wake up. Sleep time is estimated based on your phone usage patterns. Now this can prevent battery degradation. So turn on battery protection to allow your battery to last a lot longer. Number three, customize the lock screen and always on display. To do so, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on wallpaper and style. Now from here, tap on change wallpapers. Then you can choose a wallpaper or you can create one with using AI. So here we're going to tap on generative. In here, swipe across and select the one that you would like to use, or you can choose create something new. So let's choose one as an example, this one right here. And then in here, we can tap on generate. So we're just waiting for that to finish. Here we can swipe across. So these are automatically generated from AI. So choose the one that you like to use. So let's select this one here, tap on set. And here we got the lock screen and home screen. If you would like to apply to both screen, then select it. Otherwise you can deselect one or the other. Then tap on next. Next, on your lock screen here, you can customize it. So at the bottom are the shortcuts. You can customize the shortcuts to display the phone app, the camera app, or any other apps. So here I can tap on it. And here I can choose flashlight. So instead of open up the phone app, I can choose flashlight. For the camera app, I can choose the camera, or I can choose airplane mode. So in here, go through the list and choose your favorite shortcuts that you would like to use. If you don't like to change any shortcuts, you can just leave it as it is. At the top here, you can tap on add widgets. This will allow you to add in additional widgets to your lock screen. So here I can add in the weather widget, so the moon phase, current temperature and weather. And we have a few more. Choose 2 more space left. So I can add in, say, calendar shortcut, today, calendar, and I will go down and I can open up, say, voice recorder and choose voice recorder. Okay, so that is how you can add in additional shortcut widgets to your lock screen. At the top here, you can tap on the clock widget, and in here you can customize the clock, colors, font and style. So you can change the font and style of the font. You can make it thin or bold. You can change the font style. You can change the style here. You have different clock style. And here you can also choose to show weather information or not, and show date above clock or below clock. After that, tap on done. And if you want to customize your home screen, you can also do so. So you can, again, just tap on the home screen here. This will allow you to customize the home screen. So what you can do is you can tap on wallpapers, and if you want, you can change the wallpaper here. So I just go back in here. With this home screen wallpaper, there isn't much settings that you can do, but you can change the color palette down here. So you can turn on color palette to choose a different color palette style. So let's say I want to change that style. I can do so and then tap on applied. Here I have turned on color palette, adding it to the wallpaper and style. So that is how you can customize the lock screen and always on display. Okay, number 4 is to boost performance with RAM Plus and AI Boost. So go into settings. Then we go down to device care. Next, tap on memory. And from here, we go to RAM Plus. Now make sure RAM Plus is switched on and you want to select 8 GB. So it said here, RAM Plus uses your phone's storage space to provide virtual memory. So the more, the better. So tap on the restart button. Okay, number 5 is to enable super fast charging. So in settings, go down to device care. So we're going to device care and then we go down and in here tap on battery. Next, go down and tap on charging settings. In here, make sure you turn on fast charging and fast wireless charging if you are using wireless charging. So make sure they are both turned on so you can charge your phone as fast as possible. And then next one. Number 6 is to set up advanced security and face unlock. So in settings, we go down and tap on security and privacy. Then we scroll down and here tap on screen lock and biometrics. We put in the screen current pin, and then in the biometrics section, tap on face recognition. Here we can set up face recognition. So tap on continued and then tap on register. Now you need to look directly at the camera, then tilt your head up. So follow the on-screen instruction to complete your face registration. Okay, once that is done, you can also choose the settings for face recognition, such as face unlock, stay on lock screen, into swipe, require open eyes, brighten the screen during face recognition. Next, we can also set up fingerprints, so tap on that, and in here, tap on add fingerprint, and then tap on register, and then start to put your finger on the fingerprint reader. So it is best if you move your fingerprint around so that it can scan all the way around your thumb or your finger, and try to scan as how you normally hold your phone. That way it will be easy to unlock your phone. So tap on add. Now it is recommended that you add in 2 fingerprints for better accuracy. So here I will add in another fingerprint for better accuracy. So this will increase, instead of 8 scans, up to 16 scans. And then tap on done. So now we have added 3 sets of fingerprints. Next, you want to install the secure folder. To do so, from settings, go down and tap on security and privacy, then scroll down and then tap on more security settings, then tap on secure folder, and then tap on continued, then tap on continued, and this will create a secure folder. The secure folder will allow you to store private apps and files, and you can also set a password in here so that no other people can view your pictures, private pictures, apps, and other data. Now tap on done, and that's it. Here you can set a PIN, password, or a pattern lock for your secure folder. So here we can set a PIN. So I'll put in the PIN right now. Then put in the same PIN again to confirm. And then tap on the home button. Okay, number 7 is to personalize the user interface with Samsung Good Lock. So this is only available in the Samsung Galaxy Store. So on the home screen, tap on the Galaxy Store. And then I'm just going to accept some terms here. And then tap on the search button and type in the keyword Good Lock. And then tap on the search key. Then tap on the download button right next to Good Lock. And we'll wait for the app to finish installing. Okay, once the app has finished installing, tap on the open button and we're going to install some additional modules, namely Home App, Lockstar, and Navstar modules. Tap on agree and continued. In here, there are a lot of goodies that you can install on your device, and this will allow you to customize your device the way you want it. So here we've got Navstar, so tap on the download button to download the Navstar module. So go down the list here and install any module that you would like to use. So we've got Home App here. I'm going to install Home App and Lockstar. So you can even install the Notification Star, Notice Star. You got Camera Assist, Stand Assist, Routine Plus, Nice Catch, Edge Touch, Nice Shot. So use the screenshot and screen recording features more conveniently. So I installed that as well. Edge Lightings Plus. Okay, in here I have installed a bunch of modules that I can customize my device. Here you can see Home App module has already installed, so I can tap on Home App and say we design your home. So tap on next, tap on try it, and here tap on the toggle button to activate this Home App module. From here you can customize the home screen. So it's a home screen grid, loop pages, background blur controls, so you can turn it on, backup and restore, gesture settings. You can activate the task changer, so layout type, detail settings, the edge panels, share manager, and then tap on the back key. Here, if you tap on each of the module, you can further customize them. So here you got app icon settings. You can turn it on or off, and then you can tap on the left hand side panel. And here you can increase the size of the icons, show item label on home screen, or don't show them. Show item labels on app screen, or don't show them. So here you can see all the labels has been removed. Or I can turn it on to show the labels. And other things that I can do. So that's app icon settings. Here you can control the background blur. So it has a background blur control. So in here you can change how blurry it is. So that's no blurred, 100% blurred, or 50% blurred. So you can control the background blur with these settings right here. So you can see when I go to this page here, it has a background, it is quite blurred. So if I go in here and change it, so background blur control to off. So here I will switch it down, turn on, switch it down, background blur to off. So control the blur background on apps applied. Control the blur applied on screen background. So when you do that, it controls the blurred. So you can see when I move up and down like this, currently there are no blurred. And here, if I turn on semi-blurred, it kind of shows semi-blur on the background. So you can go through each of these settings. There are a lot of settings that you can play around with. So you can have do-it-yourself home screen. So you can turn it on and play around with that. You can change your favorite max count. So here you can have it up to 9 items. So down here you can have up to 9 items. There you go, 9 items at the bottom dock here. And then you got show favorites or don't show favorites. You got move apps button. You can change the app screen grid. You can change the folder icon grid, pop-up folder, and large folder. So here you can customize the folders to make it large or medium. So folders on the home screen can be large or small. So you can customize the size of the folder as well. And a lot of things they can do, that's just for the home screen. And then you got gesture settings, task changes, a lot of the settings that you can apply once you have installed Good Lock on your device. Number 8, activate smart features. First, open up the phone app, then tap on the more button and then tap on settings. In here, tap on text call and then tap on the toggle button to turn on text call. Now this will allow the phone to automatically answer calls without saying a word. A voice assistant will ask the caller why they are calling. You can also turn on play the other person's voice. Then in settings, you can turn on one-handed mode. So go down to advanced features and turn on one-handed mode. So this will allow you to have better reachability. And also you want to go back and tap on display and turn on edge panels. So in here in display, turn on edge panels right here. Edge panels will allow you to add in additional widgets and panels to allow you to quickly access other apps quickly. It's very much like a shortcut kind of things where you can access other features and apps quickly on the edge here. So you can pull out the edge panels and you can also customize the edge panels handle. So you can make the handle smaller, thicker, and you can change the color of the handle as well. So that is number 8. And number 9 is to optimize the camera settings for a pro level photos. Okay, now open up your camera app. Then tap on the 4 dots button or the more button. And over here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on intelligent optimization. And here, if you want to have a high quality pictures, you may want to select maximum quality, maximum optimization, or you can choose minimum. And this will take pictures as fast as possible by not optimizing pictures after they are taken. Tap on the back key, and then if we go down, there are some other options as well. So we got advanced picture options. And here you can choose to turn on or turn off high efficiency pictures, promote pictures format. You can change it to RAW and JPEG format for a higher quality pictures. Then we go down to the video section and tap on video stabilization, and then tap on advanced video options. In here, you can choose between very high efficiency or most compatible. You can also choose to turn on high bitrate videos. Now by turning this on, this will increase the bitrate of videos recorded in video and pro video modes. And this means that the videos are usually larger than normal videos. You can also turn on HDR and lock and so on. Now in your camera, you can also customize Pro mode settings by swiping across here and then tap on more, then tap on Pro, so Pro pictures or Pro videos. So from here in Pro, you can customize it. So tap on Pro, and then at the top here, you can manually customize the ISO, the speed, EV, focus center, multi-point, or menu. So here we can also make the changes like that, changing the multi-focus center. Tap on the back key and then go back out. And here you can swipe across, go back out of that. So tap on Pro mode again, back in here. So we can change the ISO. So here we can change the ISO manually on your device. And once you're happy, you can just capture the pictures in Pro mode. And so that is how you can optimize your camera settings for the pro level photos. Number 10, turn off annoying bloatware in ads. So from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And in here, you can go through any apps that you don't want to keep. You can uninstall it, or you can swipe down at the top here and then tap on settings. Then we scroll down and then tap on apps. Now go through the list of apps. So find all the pre-installed apps, and then you can simply uninstall it or you can disable it. So here is a bunch of them. So any apps that you don't want to use, you can just tap on it and you can uninstall it. Tap on OK. And then Samsung Global Goals, you can tap on that. Tap on uninstall. Tap on OK. So if we're not interested in Samsung Global Goal, we can remove them. And here, so anything that you cannot uninstall, you can simply disable it. So here, Spotify, if you do not use them, you can uninstall that as well. So just go through here, through the list, and simply disable or uninstall any app that you no longer use. So Samsung Cloud. So here, with this one, you can force stop, but you are not unable to disable. So depending on the apps, not all apps can be disabled. Next, you want to turn off any personalized ads in analytics. So in settings, we go down to privacy. More privacy settings. And here you can turn off personal data intelligence. Turn off send diagnostics data. Tap on OK. We don't want to send it to Samsung. So I agreed to send. No, I do not agree. So make sure you deselect I do not agree, or make sure you turn off I agreed and then tap on OK. For Android personalization service, you can also turn it off if you do not want your personal data to be shared. And you can go through the list here. There are quite a lot of them. So ads, if you tap on ads in here, you can add privacy. Just go through the list and make sure you switch off any of the things that you might grant them permission. So here you can delete advertising ID or visit advertising ID and turn off anything that might indicate that they are sending data to the server. And that's it. There you have it. Set 10 settings that you can turn on straight away after you have your Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now that your Samsung Galaxy S25 is fully optimized, which feature blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below, and if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung Galaxy tips. Thank you for watching.